ice cream. Hello kids! Today we are going to color a delicious ice cream together. An ice cream with fruit sauce and round cheeks. First of all, let's color its stick. Yes, that's right. We'll make it brown. And now, let's make its round cheeks pink. That's right, pink. Okay, let's put some fruit sauce on our ice cream. Some delicious orange fruit sauce. That's right, orange it is. I think it's going to be very tasty. Do you like coloring like I do? Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm here to color with you. Don't forget its eyebrows. Yay! We did it! A cool and delicious ice cream for you. See you next time!